How to enable family pairing mode on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use TikTok's new family pairing feature. So this feature helps parents ensure that their kids and teens are safe while using the app. Watch the video until the end to learn how to enable family safety modes and utilize the parental controls effectively. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of TikTok application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. And after you've launched the application, simply tap on the profile in the bottom right corner of the screen and then click on the three horizontal lines in the top of the screen. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down and you will see the option of family pairing in the content and display section, that is between the screen time and accessibility option. Tap on it, click on continue, and you will be asked who is using this TikTok account, whether it's a parent or a teen. For instance, as a parent, you can monitor and control the type of the content your children, like your younger siblings, are viewing. This feature allows you to restrict certain content based on what your kids are accessing. So if you're a parent, click on Next to continue. A QR code will appear, which you can scan using your child's or sibling's mobile device. This will link both accounts seamlessly, and this is a simple yet helpful feature introduced by TikTok. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.